Hey human, ready for a laughter-packed cat adventure? These fluffy troublemakers are up to something hilarious. Let's watch it together, let's go.
Bro deserve Oscar in acting.
This cutie loving too cutely. He is too human material.
No matter how cute you are, you still can't have Cheetos. How many times have we been over this?
How dare you hit me, just how?
When your cat is happy without your expensive toys.
Hey, somebody help. Oh, bro is doing dirty aw.
What do you want? I don't know.
Pet him.
No, Bracey's gonna attack me.
Two little packet of cuteness in one frame. Ooh my, the cuteness strong. The last bad day of that fish. Oh, look where he is looking. Bro really like that. Do it one more time, human.
I said more.
Hey, give me some food too.
Oh, that bad breath, up.
What is this now? Okay, let's play it.
No doubt who is the wife. Bro is done pretending, now reality. Never-ending fight. Wow, it's a magic. Funniest cat fight I have ever seen. Who is the more baby here? You don't need any clock alarm when you have a cat alarm. Wow, he is really too smart. Bro created masterpiece unknowingly. How good is this? No doubt about the parent color. Wow, it's cool. By the way, who's your favorite? Meow, you liked it, right? Then like, subscribe, and comment. And we will meet soon. Bye bye.
human.